This is the Sycyh baby gate. It will go between openings of about 29.5, 30 inches or so, to up to about 51.5, 51 and a half inches. This will open both directions, so you can pull that, open it, and let it swing close itself. It's cool. And it will also go the other direction, which I think that's great. It'll close. As you can see, I've got it installed right here. Got one extension on this right now, and the other extension didn't work. It was just too tight fit for this, especially with the baseboards on the bottom. You can also buy little cups that go right here so that this goes inside the cup, and that way this won't slide loose, although that's pretty tight right now. But you put little cups there and those will not go anywhere. You can do that for all sides, including your baseboard. You can see that's installed there. Here's the handle. You got a little slide right there, little like trigger kind of thing down there. You look down there, this is where you have to lift up. So I am sliding, pulling up, and then I'm lifting up, literally, setting it down, then I can open the gate. And like I said, this gate just gonna tap it, it will close on its own. These things here on the side, those are called adjustment wheels, and that's how you adjust your gate. You may need a wrench whenever you're doing that. That wrench will fit right on this little square thing on the outside here, and you can turn it there. So it works really well. And I highly recommend using the little wrench in order to tighten it down. Now, if you need a place to put something round, like if you have like a stair banister, or maybe you have a round opening or a pole that this needs to install on, you can take this thing off right here, this adjustment wheel, put it onto this U-bolt thing, and that will go right around there, and that will fit on there. Obviously, it's not gonna fit here, or maybe if you need to go at a diagonal and you have rounded corners or something like that, this is the replacement for that. And two of these come with this gate, so that's pretty nice. I've not ever had a gate actually include something like that, so that's cool. Okay, I've never gotten one of these either with a baby gate. So this comes with 3 different reinforcement slots. I assume you could use one on the extensions, or maybe where they connect. That would be a good place to use the reinforcement bars actually. So that is where I think those things should be used. And because you have 3 of them, you can use one for each connection, because you have 3 different bars and it'll connect in 3 different places. For when you have a connection like this and you put this underneath as a reinforcement bar. All right, the Sycyh baby gate's pretty cool. Glad that we've got one. Thank you, Sycyh, for sending this to me. It's pretty cool. This is a paid sponsored video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this has helped you make a decision about purchasing a baby gate in the future or now.